99% of people get this wrong. Can you solve it? The question is, 12 divided by 3 to the power of 0 plus 3 times 4 equals? Options are A 12, B 4, C 8, D 16. Pause the video before checking the solution. Common mistake that people used to do. 3 power 0 keeps 0. Expression becomes 12 divided by 0 plus 3 times 4. 0 divides by any number become always 0. Then, 3 times 4 equals 12. This is wrong because they think 3 power equals 0, but that's not true. Let's break it down step by step. Step 1. Remember, power 0 at any number is always equals to 1. So 3 to the power of 0 makes 1. Now the expression becomes 12 divided by 1 plus 3 times 4. Step 2. Now apply BODMAS. B for brackets, O for of, D for division, M for multiplication, A for addition, and S for subtraction. Class, remember, division and multiplication are equal. So we solve from left to right. First, 12 divided by 1 become 12. Because any number divides by 1 equals always same. Then multiply 3 times 4 equals 12. Step 3. Addition 12 plus 12 equals 24. Be honest. Did you get 24? Comment your answer below and follow for more tricky BODMAS challenges.